Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to protect your home network in 2025. So today, most homes have a mixture of internet-connected devices ranging from computers, smart TVs, mobile phones, tablets, and more. The explosion in popularity of smart home technology has brought many benefits, such as convenience, increased energy efficiency, and improved home security. However, as more and more devices are connected to the home network, the likelihood of it being targeted by hackers also increases. Therefore, we need to take the necessary steps to ensure that our home networks are secure and protect against cyber threats. So here are 5 tips to help you secure your home network in 2025. Tip number 7. Use a strong Wi-Fi password and WPA3 encryption. Many routers come with a default password that allows anyone to connect to the network without any issues. This is obviously not ideal, as it means that your network is completely vulnerable to anyone who happens to know the default password. Hackers can easily find default passwords online and use them to gain access to your network. It is important to note that the Wi-Fi protected access to, or WPA2 encryption, is no longer considered secure enough. Hackers can exploit a vulnerability known as crack to gain access to your network. Therefore, it is crucial to upgrade to WPA3 encryption, which uses the latest security standards and is much more secure. You can find the default password on the back or bottom of your router. However, if you've already changed it, you might need to refer to your router's manual or contact the manufacturer to find it. Once you've located the default password, you should immediately change it to a strong, unique password that isn't used on any other accounts. It's also important to enable WPA3 encryption on your router. This will ensure that your network is protected against the latest hacking techniques. Most routers support both WPA2 and WPA3, so you should be able to enable WPA3 encryption without any issues. Tip number 2. Upgrade to a modern router with auto firmware updates and built-in threat protection. An outdated router can pose a significant security risk to your home network. Many routers come with built-in features that can help to protect your network from cyber threats. For example, some routers have built-in firewalls and intrusion prevention systems that can block malicious traffic and prevent unauthorized access to your network. Additionally, some routers have content filtering capabilities that allow you to block access to inappropriate websites and content. To protect your home network, ensure that your router has these features enabled and up to date. Look for routers that support the latest security protocols such as WPA3 and ensure that they have the latest firmware installed. By taking these steps, you can help to keep your home network safe from cyber threats. Tip number 3. Turn on firewalls. Use DNS filtering and block unknown traffic at the network level. Firewalls are an essential tool for protecting your home network, as they act as a barrier between your internal network and the outside world. By allowing you to control which traffic is allowed to enter your network, firewalls can help to prevent unauthorized access and cyber attacks. To configure your firewall, you can either use the firewall that is built into your router or install a third-party firewall on your computer. In addition to using a firewall, it is also important to use DNS filtering to block access to malicious websites and content. You can set up DNS filtering on your router or use a DNS filtering service. By blocking access to malicious websites, you can prevent your devices from being infected with malware or other harmful software. Finally, it's important to block any unknown traffic at the network level. This can be done by configuring your router to only allow traffic from known and trusted sources. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that your home network is protected from cyber threats. Tip number 4. Keep smart devices on a guest network. Many people are now using smart devices in their homes, such as smart TVs, thermostats, and kitchen appliances. These devices can make your life more convenient, but they can also pose a security risk if they are not properly secured. One way to mitigate this risk is to keep your smart devices on a separate guest network. This will limit the damage that can be done by a hacker if they do manage to infiltrate your network. By keeping your smart devices on a separate network, you can minimize the impact of a security breach and protect your personal information and data. Tip number 5. Enable multi-factor authentication on your router and smart home accounts. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring you to provide more than one form of authentication when logging in. This could be a password and a one-time code or a fingerprint and a password. By enabling multi-factor authentication, you can help to ensure that even if a hacker does manage to gain access to your network, they will still not be able to access your personal accounts unless they also have the second form of authentication. To enable multi-factor authentication on your router, check your router's settings for an option that says multi-factor authentication or 2FA. If you are setting up 2FA for the first time, you may need to create a new account and password. Once you have enabled 2FA on your router, it's also important to enable it on your smart home accounts. This includes accounts for smart devices such as thermostats, cameras, and door locks. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that your home network is more secure and your personal information and data is protected. As technology continues to evolve, it's important to stay vigilant and up to date on the latest security threats and best practices. By following the tips above, you can help to ensure that your home network is secure and your personal information and data is protected. Stay informed, stay ahead, and keep your home network safe. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tech tips. And if you want to learn more about smart home technology, check out the articles on our website. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Our team of experts will be happy to assist you.